Robbinsville Allentown Road.
Hey guys, I'm Anthony and welcome to After Van Life. I just got off from work. Good morning. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your time. All my YouTube friends out there, hey, how you guys doing? I'm a little slow this morning.
Turn right onto Robbinsville Allentown Road.
I'm a little slow this morning, but as the title of this video says, hold up, I gotta put some tape on here, make sure this thing don't move. My GPS is about dumb as a doorknob. Man, this thing ain't gonna stay up on here, watch. I bet you. And I'm gonna prove it to y'all right now. Look at this mess. Messing up already. I'm gonna prove it to y'all already. Watch how many times. Now, I go home the exact same way every single morning. And watch how many times this dum-dum tell me to get off the Beltway. She already telling me to go right when I should go left. I'm like, oh my God, girl, what is going on with you? She wore my nerves out. Watch her, look. Listen this whole trip. Not the whole trip, but a little bit. She about dumb as a daggone doorknob here.
Route recalculating.
I'm only like 3 blocks. I'm not even on the Beltway yet, and she already recalculating that.
In a half mile, turn right onto Circle Drive.
Circle Drive? Girl, I'm getting ready to get on the Beltway. What's going on?
Route recalculating. In 2 miles, take exit 5B on the right to New Brunswick.
Look, she told me that last week, right? And I said, you know what? I'm going to take it. I'm not in no hurry to get home. I'm going to go ahead and take exit 5B. This dum-dum had me all going through the township of Hamilton. I was like, wait a minute. It was like, it takes me 20 minutes to get home. That route she had me going was like 35 minutes. I was like, oh my God. Look, dum-dum. I'm looking at the next couple of directions that she got me going. And I'm like, no way. But listen to her, y'all. I'm on the Beltway now. I'm on the highway. And I take this highway all the way down for about like 12 minutes. And then she's not going to get it right, y'all, until I'm actually on my main street and about to turn into my apartment complex. I'm like, oh my God, what is going on with this woman? I mean, damn. How am I supposed to rely on her when I'm going out of town?
In 1 mile, take exit 5B on the right to New Brunswick.
How am I supposed to rely on her to get me out of town, much less get me around town when I'm out of town? You know, I'm like, oh my God, she's so frustrating. I have a oil change appointment in a few days. I'm gonna ask them to redo something about her because give me a man. I need a man. Do they have men voices on these talking things? Because I need a dude because she ain't right. She must have only got her associate's degree. She need to go back and get her bachelor's degree.
Take exit 5B on the right to New Brunswick.
No way, Jose, Missy. Not doing that. It's a little more busy out here today. I guess a couple more people are back at work. But yeah, it is GPS, man. I was at home.
Route recalculating. Exit 5A on the right to Old Town.
Alright, that's the second time she told me to get off the Beltway. And I kept on moving.
Route recalculating. In 1.1 miles, take exit 3B on the right to Hamilton Square.
Unfreaking believable. She is something else. She must have cheated on her exams. Because you know when you cheat and then you take a job and then you get on that job and you don't know what the hell's going on, that's when it all comes out. That's what she did. She cheated. She cheated on her test. Because she don't know nothing about Pennsylvania. She probably in Chicago somewhere. She probably live in Chicago. all up in here to give me the wrong direction. I mean, never got a direction right. I can
Take
write.
exit 3B on the right to Hamilton Square.
I can tell her to take me to the grocery store, which is 2.5 blocks down the street. She probably say, take the first right and go on. Listen to this.
In 0.3 miles, turn left onto Cuser Road. Route recalculating.
She telling me to turn right on some
Take
kids
exit
road.
3A on the right to Yardbell.
She gonna tell me every exit as we go down here.
Route recalculating.
She getting my damn nerves now, for real.
In 1.2 miles, take exit 2 on the right to Arena Drive and then keep right.
Now when I pass this exit 2, she gonna go boop. Route recalculating again. I'm like, this is what I hear all the way down the Beltway till I get to my main street. This is what I hear her telling me to do. It must be some kind of way I can reset this or something, or get an updated version of whatever I have now, because this girl almost made me call her a B-I-T-C-H. I said, Lord, what's the point in having this navigation
Take exit
system?
2 on the right
Oh, girl,
to
shut up.
Arena Drive
This,
and then keep
I'm about
right.
to turn you off. And you know what's so funny though, because she reminds me of my friend Richard and Siri, because he'll get it. Here she
Keep
go
right
again.
onto County Route 620 and then turn left.
Wouldn't that drive y'all nuts? Wouldn't that drive y'all crazy?
In 0.1 mile, turn left onto Francine Drive and then turn left.
I'm not even
Route
off the Beltway.
recalculating. Route recalculating.
Why she said it twice?
In 1.2 miles, take exit 60B on the right to I-295 north.
Yeah, this is an old one. I can tell this is an old one because now that I, because I usually have turned her ass off by now, but now that I kept her on a little longer and she said 60B, I know this is an old setup now because 60B has been changed. They changed it. Excuse me, they changed it. It's no longer 60B. It's 1. So this is an old navigation system. They're gonna give me something better than this. Cause I'm gonna tell them too. Y'all need to change that. She make me want to punch a hole through the glass. Yank her little butt up out of there.
Take exit 60B on the right to I-295
It's not even 60B,
north.
girl. It's 1B. Dum-dum. I'm telling you. She cracks me up, boy. No, she'll crack me up. She make me mad. But get back to my friend Richard
Take exit
and
61A
Siri.
on the right
We'll be in his
to
car and he'll say,
Arena
Anthony, watch this.
Route recalculating.
And then, okay, she's about to get off.
In 1.5 miles, take Trenton on the right.
Take what? Anywho, he'll say, Siri, do you love me? And Siri, you go, I don't know you. And we crack up in that car.
In 1 mile, take Trenton on the right.
I remember one time we was riding, we were out of town. No, were we out of town? We weren't out of town because this was in his car. And Richard was mispronouncing a word, and I knew he was mispronouncing the word. And Siri couldn't figure it out for nothing, but we were up in there laughing. I was like, man, you are not saying the word right. She case sensitive. Oh my God. This is a mess, but I really need to get that fixed because, I use my
Take
GPS.
Trenton on the right.
Alright, that's gonna do it for this video because I know she's annoying the heck out of y'all just like she doing me. But I just wanted to make my point to you guys that this girl here don't know where the hell she going. She don't know nothing about Pennsylvania. Don't know nothing. I'm gonna make sure she go back to school.
Route
Anywho,
recalculating. Lamberton Road on the right. In a
Anywho,
quarter mile,
And
keep
then-
right onto
this look-
Lamberton Road.
this little section right here where
Route
she's telling me,
recalculating.
this little section she's telling me here,
Continue on current road 4.9 miles.
none of these streets are even down this way. None. None of these streets are even down this way. So I don't know where she think I am. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go before she yell out another one. And, oh, I'm under a tunnel. I hope y'all can see me now.
In a half mile, turn slight right onto Cass Street.
Oh, I think it is a Cass Street down here. I done went dark on y'all. Wait till we get out this little tunnel here.
In
Wait.
a quarter mile, turn slight right onto Cass
Oh my
Street
God.
and then turn
All right,
left.
let me get her out of here, and then I'll say my goodbyes to y'all. Yeah, get on up out of here. Anywho, guys, thanks for taking a few minutes out of your... Oh, shit. I gotta get me some Velcro. I gotta get me some Velcro, for real. Let me hold this right quick. Thanks for taking the... This so ghetto. This so ghetto, holding your camera while you driving. Anywho, thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to watch my videos. I appreciate it, as you guys know. And I see y'all later. I can't even think of my ending. Alright, guys. See you next time. See how she got me discombobulated?